This story was from Bernardo Jose. Bernardo Jose was a oiler of a shipping company. He was on board their vessel, but suddenly the manning agency was conducting a random drug test of
Excuse me, Captain. We are conducting a random drug test for today. Okay, I will present my crew to you.
since the crew are preparing themselves, the doctor is still ready to conduct. Nyara.
Crew, proceed to the booking room.
Ay, continue na lang. Wait. Yeah. Ini ka na ako, tulog ka. Nyara.
Good evening, all crew members. This is physician. Dr. Figaro is conducting today random listen tonight random drug test. Thank you, Captain.
Ay, wala pa. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Captain. You stay alone?
Yes.
Okay, Captain. You may take a seat now.
Okay.
We have the result already. May I call Mr. Bernardo Jose? Mr. Bernardo Jose?